Hey guys, what is up? How did you like my super extra intro? I loved the hairstyle, so I had so much leftover footage, and I was like, you know what? If I gotta watch this, somebody else gotta watch it too, because that hairstyle was doing it for me. So to get started, we are doing a wig with Hairvivi. If you guys don't remember, I just uploaded a video using the same exact wig. I thought it would be an amazing idea to reuse the wig, restyle it, and show you guys how to get the best wear out of your wig. So to get started, we're going to ball cap that head. This is very, very, very optional. You don't got to do this. It is not necessary. Actually, the lace on the wig is amazing, and I didn't realize that until after I did the cap. And you guys know I hate doing the ball cap. It is just not my preferred method or anything. But after doing all of this, I realized it was too late, and I was like, you know what? Whatever. So here I have the ball cap on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make it look smooth and blend into my skin and go from there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use a MAC foundation. Now, this is the same exact steps that I do with all the ball caps that I used to do in the past. Nothing is different or changed. The only difference is that I'm using a stocking cap versus an actual wig cap. Time for the install. Here's the wig, and this is how it looks. I'm not gonna even lie, I'm a little nasty because I didn't wash the wig, but I only wore it for like 5 days. So here I am reinstalling it, and this is exactly how it looks after I have used spray underneath. Put your wig on, and this is me 5 hours later. I took a nap in between with the wig on, but I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it with some Gotta Be glue, and then use Gotta Be glue holding spray, and then use the blow dryer to pretty much dry the hairspray. Now, do not put a lot of hairspray. Put enough to make your wig stick down, because we are going to be putting this wig in a high ponytail, so you don't, well, a half down, so you want to make sure that it's nice and secure. Go. The one thing about Hairvivi I always tell you guys about is they be on point with their lace, with their hairline, with the hair on the actual wig. I love it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys some scalp action. So here I am just playing around with it and parting it so you guys can see how amazing this is. This is a full lace wig by the way, guys, in case I didn't mention that before, and it just looks amazing. And to be honest, it would also look amazing without the stocking cap underneath. So I wanted to show you guys how it looks in case you wanted to braid it. As you can see on the right side, I have my hair in a ponytail, so you can do 2 pigtails, but I didn't want to really spray the back of my neck, so that's why I didn't show that part and go all in. And now, the part that we've all been waiting for is the actual tutorial for the actual hairstyle. So you're gonna go ahead and create a moon shape in front of your head, and I'm gonna be using my hot comb and my hairspray, okay? Those are the 2 things that are most important to create this hairstyle. Now, it's not gonna leave any white crusties anywhere, so don't worry about that. You can use any hairspray you want. It's just that this was right here, so I used that. All the hair tools that I'm using as far as brushes, combs, edge control brush is from Kirsty. She's an amazing YouTuber. Check her out. Her combs are amazing and really help to create sharp lines on this wig. Go ahead and create your parts from ear to ear. And then what you want to do is make sure it's straight enough, but the hairspray is going to help to keep the frizzies out of the way. This hairstyle can be very, very, very challenging because remember, it's a wig and it's used to just staying down. I'm trying to manipulate it and put it in a half ponytail and treat it like my hair. So hairspray is going to really help make life easier. Put the back of the hair in one until you're ready for that. And now we're going to focus on just making the front part of this ponytail look super flat, natural, and nowhere near bulky. So use your brush, use your comb, start combing it up into the position. What I'm showing you right here is the lace was lifting, obviously, because we're pulling it up. Don't worry, I will come back to show you how to fix that. Use your hot comb to comb the hair up. Take out any baby hairs now, because you're gonna spray it up and you're gonna be screwed. What helps me is if I put my hair in a loose ponytail in the upward direction to help mold the hair. So right now what we're doing is we're pretty much molding this ponytail to go up, because if not, it's gonna be puffy and ridiculous looking on the sides. So you might have to redo this ponytail a couple of times. Just use your hot comb, use your hairspray, use your brush, and work the hair up into an upward motion. Not gonna lie though, this wig is fly, okay? I don't know if you guys watched my last video where I showed you guys this wig. It's amazing, guys. Amazing. Like, you can do so much with it. So I needed to use my sister's hands, and I needed help with this so that I can focus on really getting that ponytail to be super tight and flat, because, you know, I don't like when the sides are bulky, even though it will be that way a little bit, but I'll show you how to fix that. So I had her holding it very, very, very tight as I was focusing on making that ponytail nice and stiff. I mean, nice and sturdy. Okay, so now let's work on the side swoop. Again, you're gonna need hairspray. Now, don't worry, guys. Your hair is not gonna be crunchy. It's not gonna be hard. Please do not freak out about that. Again, you don't have to use this hairspray. You can use any hairspray you want, but it was the closest thing that I had next to me when I didn't feel like getting up. But it does not leave crusties. It does not make your hair tough like a rock. It will literally just soften up on its own. So just perfect this little scoop motion that we're trying to do right now. And then I went ahead and used an edge control brush that was much more easier. So maybe go ahead and use an edge control brush if you want to. From here on out, now we're just gonna make the style we're gonna finalize the style. Take a little piece from the back, spray it with hairspray occasionally, and keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until it is all tucked away. So remember that part by the ears? Go ahead and spray that down and blow dry it down so that's nice and stuck down. Now the puffy sides, don't worry. Spray it with hairspray once more, not a lot. Use your hand and swoop it up and apply a lot of pressure and blow dry it up. Once you've done that, the hair will kind of be stuck in that motion and be flattened. Okay, now it's time for the edges. Let's fix this little weird thing at the top. Spray it and then hot comb it down, and then voila, it's gone. I'm so annoying, guys. Sorry. I be talking like this all the time and I'm at home stupid, so I'm just being stupid right now. But we're not done yet. Not done. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it, just flipping it back and then going back to the baby hairs. And I didn't want dramatic. I wanted it to be natural, so I'm just really just using mousse and brushing it in an upward motion so that it just lays along the lace. Go ahead and fix the other side, give yourself little cute sideburns, and then curl the rest of the hair. Okay, so now it's time for makeup. I wasn't gonna show this part, but I figured the whole entire look is a vibe, so why not? I'm using this Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow gel. It's like a glue or like a paste for your eyebrows, and it just keeps your eyebrows in paste forever, okay? It's amazing. Next, I'm gonna be using this Benefit Ka-Brow for my brows, and I really wanted bold eyebrows for this look, or I should say very defined, so that was my main goal. Go ahead and use some concealer, also from Benefit, and just line and clean your eyebrows up. All the products will be down below in case you guys are interested in what I'm using. The hardest part about this whole thing was doing my makeup while having a side bang that's already like stiff down. But as you guys can see, it's not stuck to my forehead. It's just literally, I didn't want to move it because I already molded it to be in that way. So after that, go ahead and grab your foundation. I'm using my Laura Mercier and my Flower Beauty foundation. Not really a combination that I usually do, but it was the quickest thing that I could grab. So here I am, just doing this. Mix it together. You don't have to put this all the way underneath your bang because nobody can see it. So you're saving product here, guys. Going with that same concealer, put it underneath your eyes, chin, and a little piece of your forehead, and just really dab it out, blend it in, make it look good, make it look smooth. And then using a Laura Mercier honey, translucent honey powder, which is more of a yellow tint that goes great for women of color. And then I'm using this bronzer, also from Benefit, to kind of just, you know, add some color back onto my face and create more of a contour look. I'm going in an upward diagonal motion versus me just going into the parts where my cheeks naturally contour. So spend time really just blending this out and making it look natural and giving your face some definition. So here we are. Going back in with that same bronzer, and I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow base. And I'm covering my whole entire eyes, and I'm going to smoke it out. After that, I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to put this sparkly color over the brown color. Yeah, girl. I'm not gonna lie. I actually did like this look. Very different from me because you guys know I don't really be doing the hard makeup and the extreme makeup these days. I just like my stuff to look natural. But I really did enjoy it. Like, I might do some more bold looks every now and then, but I love how it's bold but still subtle. So I can still wear this on the street and not feel like, wow, everyone's staring, you know? So I love it. And it was so easy to do. Next, time for lashes. Using Kiss, got this from CVS. Okay, so lashes is on. I was trying to figure out what the hell to do next. So here I am doing my lips using a regular brown lip liner from Beauty Supply Store. And then I'm gonna be using this Juvia's Place lip thing. I'll have it down below, and I'm using my fingers to pretty much just smear it in so that I can still have the dark brown lip liner going around the edges of my lips. And then I'm using a brush to even more buff it out, and then I'm putting that sparkly color on my bottom lid as well as some mascara, and we are done. Okay, this wig is flawless fly. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the back. Please tell me how you guys like this wig. If you want me to do more hairstyles versus more tutorials, look at that. That looks so good. That looks so good, guys. And then obviously it's a full lace wig, so you can see in the back. That stocking cap, I didn't color it. So that's why it looks so white. But make sure you color the whole thing. But you don't have to, the lace is amazing itself. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Watch part 1 if you want to know how the wig looked when I first took it out the box, a complete unboxing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties.